Hello again. So today I've got a couple boxes to open up. We're going to be comparing a couple of different backpacks. We're going to see which ones we like the most. We live in a trailer, so Ashley's going to be doing stuff in the background. Don't worry about that. It's just, it's part of life. Whatever. Good. Yeah, so we're unboxing a couple things today. We also got some lights for this monitor setup, which will hopefully replace these. There's another little one up here. I like the look of that, having a lot of extra color and things like that in the frame, but I just also really like that immersive, video effect stuff where you've got the little thing that's looking down at your screen, and it sends the signal to the actual lights of hey, and it maps it to the screen. I don't know, it's just a really cool effect in my opinion. Anyway, let's unbox this stuff. Hello again, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Alright, so today I have 3 very similar, largely sized boxes, all around 10 pounds, so they're kind of evenly sized, approximately bags. I think this one might be the smallest of the 3, but they're all around the same value. They're all around $200. We're going to bust these open, we're going to compare them, and we're going to see what you think down in the comments below. So, stick around. We'll stick around as we check these out. Love it. This box is packed tight. This one is our sponsor box. VSGO is kind enough to send this to us for free in exchange for a review. We're going to see what it's like, and if it's completely unusable, then we're going to send it back. If we decide that we really like this bag, we're going to give them a good review. But yeah, company is VSGO. They have a bunch of different products on Amazon. They're all sort of related to film and photography. I think their other products are mostly lens cleaning things and blowers and swabs and stuff like that. So let's get this thing cracked open. Let's get this out of here. Oh, I think there are extra things. Check out the card first. Nice. Gear for Heroes, 20-liter camera backpack. And the rest of this I cannot read, but if you can, here you go. I'm not sure which language it is. It looks like Japanese to me. There's very familiar, it looks almost, I don't know the difference between kanji or katakana, but yeah, cool, very cool. Nice. Sweet design on it. I like the matte black kind of finish to things and the little gold accent. It's actually a pretty sealable bag too. So these are just little inserts. Yeah, the seams feel solid. It's sewed into the material. It's a good sign off the bat. That feels good. So this was actually the most expensive of the 3 bags.
It's the sponsor bag.
The sponsor bag, yeah. It was about $220, but it did have a a discount code on it too. Ooh, I think it is a peel thing. It looks like it.
No, that's just metal.
No, I think
it turns.
Yeah, that's how you
what?
You unlock the bag, and then it auto locks. So you go like that. Yeah. So in order, Ashley's already intrigued.
I like playing with things.
So, right off the bat, the material feels great. It's supposed to be completely waterproof.
Wow.
So feel the. Did you feel the?
Oh no, that's nice.
It's real thick.
Yeah.
Real thick material. It almost feels what is that? Like a dry bag, where it's that kind of rubbery material.
Yeah.
It's real thick. Right. There's a little magnet on this side which just connects and closes, but then to open or close, you just twist this here and pop it open. But when you go to close it, auto locks itself. But here, I'm gonna zoom in just so you can see this a little bit better. Right here, spin that, opens up, and then auto locks in place. So as long as you get it into the, it looks like you just have to like jiggle it around a little bit. But when it pops into place, locks for you and you're good to go. They mentioned this little aluminum tag too. You can almost use it as like a flathead screwdriver. You can throw your keys on there. That's a nice little secure, very secure little like metal clip. You can open this up fully. And then you've got your pocket in here, you have a little mesh pocket on the side, but you can cover it up, keep it waterproof. This is insane.
You like it?
Yeah, I'm not used to seeing waterproof zippers on a bag. Like, look at the...
Oh, it's inside out, yeah.
Yeah, the zipper, like, seals.
That's nice.
Cool. Wow, they have a lot of... They're really thorough with their info, that's for sure. They're not messing around. Also, apologies for the background noise. I just realized that we've been rolling with the fan going, but that's because the...
Oh, I can turn that on.
No, that's fine. It's fine. The exhaust fan needs to be on when we're cooking, or else we can, die of, like, propane and carbon monoxide poisoning.
I turned the stove off. I can turn the fan off.
Oh, okay. Well...
Audio's about to get better.
Prepare for better audio. Alright, let's crack this open and get inside. Woo! The attitude. It's like an owl design. It's kind of cool. Wow. So they put a bag of air into it so it doesn't get all deformed and
holds it
messed
shape.
up. There's stuff inside it. Everyday backpack. What is this? Yep, exactly what I thought. It's a rain cover, so it's an elastic cover. So this is all supposed to be like weather resistant as it is. If you're in torrential downpour and you want to be sure you're not gonna get your crap all wet. Boom. So this wraps around everything, keeps your bag all dry. Extra wetness protection. Gross. Alright, we'll set that aside with the dividers. Open this up. So that's one way to access it. There's like top access. You can lock this. Then you can also zip the whole dang thing down. Yeah. Kind of pouch up there. Oh, okay, and that accesses the whole compartment. Wow. Alright, there's more of these dividers down here. Here's the long divider, here's the short dividers. These are much more thin and compact. Like so some of these dividers are like four-way dividers. So you can fold them out like that, or you can fold them flat and have it be just a singular divider like that. When you fit them in, they become kind of like a lattice work, and they can fit within each other like this and just sort of like hold their form based on the grooves that are in these sides like this. It's a very interesting design. They do have the Velcro on the sides as well, which is kind of like classic, but the ability to like flip open and create a second, division like that, that's really cool. All right, so we're gonna pull these out, and they have a long divider too. That also has Velcro on the ends and does that. What I was kind of marveling at was when you open up this pouch, it accesses the entire inside, so you have that protected compartment against your back. It's a little harder to access. Like, no one can just open your bag and all your stuff spills out. It's literally attached to your back. So we've got that, but then there's also this flap here, which you can undo the Velcro and then flip up, and then it'll attach along this seam right here. And now your top access and your bottom access are two separate compartments. There's also, wow, there's Velcro on the sides too to keep the sides up. So it like really helps keep this bag in form. You can really like batten down the hatches on this thing for sure. And then on this side, flip this around this way. It's the side that's right up against your back. This is the magnetic buckles that they're talking about. Just clip into place like that. And they're nice and secure. But if you pull it from this direction, boop, it actually pops right off. So it's real easy to use. They pop back into place real easy, and then they're secure. So that covers your laptop laptop compartment, and then this is like an iPad compartment that goes along with it. So the idea is you can bring your laptop and your iPad with you, laptop and tablet, I should say, But yeah, that's kind of like the rundown of this bag, the general rundown. Over the next couple of weeks, we are going to be testing these out. So far, it looks really, really cool. I like how sleek and like just the design and the coloration and like all this stuff for it. Like it's really cool. I like the locks and everything too. So we'll let you know how it goes in the next couple of weeks. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Peace for now. Here's another feature I just found I forgot to tell you about. Basically, you're wearing the backpack. Let's see, let's get this all back in place. You're wearing your backpack on your right side. You know, you're trudging along doing your thing. You're gonna flip it up like so. And on this side, this is the side that I didn't open. Flip that open, and now you have not only another pocket on the inside of the flap, and then you have full access to the inside right here. So this is where you're going to be doing your main access to the bottom compartment. Thank you for watching. That's it for now. Talk to you later.